Okay, lawn fans, you ready? Boring, but a necessary topic this morning, irrigation. So we here in Georgia are gonna be coming up by the end of this week of temperatures on the thermometer at 100 degrees, but the heat index will be a whole lot higher than that. Down here next to the road, underneath that grass, I have a bed of slate rock on either side. If you've watched my earlier videos, I got behind the 8-ball over here and I didn't get the water down like I should have, and it dried it out pretty bad. I got a lot of rain here this last week, plus I ran irrigation in between the rain, and I got it caught up. It's looking good now. I'm not gonna get behind the 8-ball again. My purpose of this video is to tell you guys, you do not wanna get behind the 8-ball. What does that mean? If you start to see your lawn is turning brown and it's really crispy, you're behind the 8-ball. You're late on your watering. You're behind on your watering. You need to be getting down during the heat of the summer 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water per week. You want to water early in the mornings from 5:30 up until, let's say, 10:30. Why no later than that? Because the heat of the summer will cause evaporation. You're basically wasting your water, running your water bill up, because the wind's going to catch it, the heat's going to catch it, and it's not going to get the full benefit down into your soil, down into your roots. So what you want to do is you want to get something like a tuna fish can, a cat food can, some type of container that's got a measuring device on it, so you can see at the furthest point how much water that you're getting out. Why don't you want to put it here? Because that's where it's most concentrated with water. Out there, see if I can catch it, out there is where you want to see where the water's hitting, so you see a full and true measurement of how much water is being put out. Now, after you've been watering, if you start to see brown spots in your yard, or it's got that hazy bluish gray look, go out there with a screwdriver and try to stick it down in there and see if it's tough to put that screwdriver into the ground. If it is, then that's telling you right there that your irrigation is not properly getting to certain areas in your lawn. If you do see that you're behind the 8-ball, you're gonna have to increase your water output. So you may have to go from that inch and a half up to 2 inches, or you may just want to sit there and drench that area that's got that dried out type of look to it. So get your measuring device, do the screwdriver test. I would be watering, I set mine up for Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays to water during the hottest part of the summer. But I do get down 1.5 inches of water on the lawn, and as you can see, it does a pretty good job for it. So that's basically it. Just a quick message this morning. Tell you about something that's not a real fun or exciting topic, but watering your lawn is huge. Sharp blade, mow often, water. And also fertilizers during a time like this when the heat's coming through, you don't want to be pushing a whole lot of top growth. So you don't want to put out some type of nitrogen that's 27, 30, 32% nitrogen in the bag. If you can find an organic that's not going to burn, put it out. But hopefully right now you're just maintaining your lawn versus trying to push top growth, in my opinion. That's it. Bermuda Brian, out.